My king, as you know that I work né, against depression and anxiety. So I will be walking to Egypt on the 10th of January 2026. Né? What should I expect because I heard that you are from the border of Namibia. What should I expect when I pass there? Good things and bad things you can just mention.
Okay, what I'm trying to say is now, depends on which side you go. As now we sitting here, we are here in Joburg, no? In this place, it's called the drill hole, you see. So as we are here, no? In Joburg, no? We come from that side, no? Of Appington, you see. When you cross the borders for South Africa, no? To Namibia, no? Depends which side you go. You go Zimbabwe or you go that side of Namibia, you see.
Mm.
Yeah, but if it was the fastest way for you to go, you go first, you go, then you go Polokwane. When you go Polokwane, you go Venda, you go Sim, then you're already out South Africa. But from here, when you go, you need to go Kimberley first, you see. Yeah, when you go Kimberley, from there, you're gonna go to Appington, you see.
Mm.
Then there's two borders to Namibia. Depends which one you want to go to. You see.
Mm.
If you want to go to a place of called Springbok, a
Mm.
small town, you see, in the Northern Cape. You see, you pass the town, you get Steinkopf, you see, before it's Oak Cape, you see. When you get Oak Cape, you get Steinkopf. Steinkopf, you get Port Nolof. When you get Port Nolof, you go straight by the border side. But first, if you want to go the side of Zim, then you go Swaziland. You want to go through Swaziland, go Nongoma side, Ongolo side. But depends which side you're gonna go. You see. So as
Oh.
me as a Khoi son, you see, I'm a Khoi. It's a Sakman, you see, in South Africa, representing the ancient roots and the liberty of Rastafari in Khoisan. You see, was a connection because the Western civilization people, so-called Jamaican people, they connected to our ancestral people, so-called African people. You see, yeah, and from there, the civilization here in South Africa is the Bushman. The Bushman is the Khoisan. And first there was Khoi, and then there was San.
Mm.
The Khoi was living by the seashore of South Africa. You see, but for you to go from here to Namibia, you must learn our culture. You must learn our tradition. They will accept you in any how, in any perspective, in any tradition or value you come there. But we, as natural people of medicine and its herbs, you must cleanse yourself before you go on the road. Because where you're going, you don't know where you're going. Because you can go in the unrighteous way of people who practice witchcraft, people who practice things of the world, meaning the things that keep you back from your own culture and tradition. As we learn ourselves, as you walk up in Africa, is from Cape. Cape is there down in the Western civilization to Cairo. Cairo is that side of Egypt. So you walk from Cape to Cairo, meaning you walk from sea to sea. You walk from shore to shore, from civilization to civilization. So where you're going, you must know. You go through things like natural, like the big five. You see, you're going to life, not a life of a television or a normal life of any kind of person, but a life of reality. You see, so this life you must take it with the inner heart. As you go there, you must be strong, clothed in sackcloth, in gechi. You see, so you can know wherever you go. You see, different kind of cultures, different kind of people, even though it's from the Western civilization, the Eastern civilization, the Northern civilization, or wherever. This is Africa. It's the motherland where life first began. So you know, all the animals and traditions and the values come from Africa. So when we go there, you must be sure of what you do and what you practice. You see, you must be trained to what you mustn't buy by any shop. You must go upon the road. You mustn't even ask for a lift or anything. You must be strong and your heart must be strong wherever you go. And when you go there, you must walk barefoot. Natural is in African, is in Khoisan. Because whenever we talk about Africa, we those home and abroad. No matter America, Europa, no matter Asia, no matter wherever, North, South America, but Africa to represent our culture and to the Western civilization. Is a Khoisan, is a Nama, is the Guavara, and is the ancient people before us. Because this world already, the people, they indoctrinated us in the level of the Western civilization. But we don't take part in it. As we open our doors, our forefathers know we are the Africans. In the Africans for the Africans. Those home and abroad. Kaya kara, kasam koro, karabat kwiri, kakapara. Hi, ano siya? Ngoro man, ngoro, ngoro. Ano from Uppington man. Nagkulan siya kanggangs, kanggangs. Ya, kanggang siya, machi, karabat kwiri, kakapara. Kung ano siya, karabat kwiri, siya father, the ancient forefathers. I chase, hanggang siya, machi. I chase, making. Oro, oro. Yeah, as we become one as Africans, this place, she was my African brother. Yeah, in Chaubak, once again, this is 11 August 2025, and that's why we're representing unto the nations. Even this, we must recognize our culture. Even we must civilize our nations from all advanced civilizations. Now, surely, when God, ancient God, so-called God, but it's Cha meaning Jehovah, meaning the head creator. We never give thanks unto the city where we're sitting now. The people, they are ism and schism by the ways of the world. So cut and clear, rent and clear, all chanson clear, fatal clear, kaya toro, kasam kara, kangal che, machi, tung tung,